Brushing your grill shouldn't be a safety risk. That's why I only use the BBQ-AID bristle-free grill brush. It's 100% bristle-free, so no scary surprises in your food. It's made with heavy-duty stainless steel that won't bend or snap, and the 17-inch wood handle gives you that solid, rot-resistant grip every time. This thing powers through burnt-out grime like it's nothing, and the rust-resistant, replaceable head, built to last. Oh, and the cleanup? Just toss it in the dishwasher. Done. Stop risking your health with cheap brushes. Make the upgrade to BBQ-AID and grill with confidence every time.